To say we love MIDI is an understatement. It's all we ever talk about. However, there is one big inconvenience that we absolutely hate when using a MIDI pedal board. Here's the problem. You have all your pedals connected to your MIDI controller via MIDI. Cool. You can simultaneously recall different presets on all pedals with just one press. Cool. But what about the pedals that you don't want engaged for a particular preset? Your controller won't know which effects you want bypassed. This means for every preset, you need to add a bypass message for each of the pedals that you don't want to include. Say you have 8 pedals like we have here, and you only want 3 of them active for a particular preset. That's 5 MIDI messages added to your preset just to bypass the effects you want to exclude. It's a tiresome thing to do. We thought there has to be a better way, and thanks to our obsession with MIDI, there now is. Introducing our new multi-engage/bypass message type. With just one single message, you can set the bypass states of all your pedals. The multi-engage/bypass feature is introduced with firmware 3.13.5 and is available for all our MIDI controllers, both Pro and Standard. Here's how it works. When editing a switch preset, simply select the multi-engage/bypass message type. You'll see an array of checkboxes appear, each with their corresponding device's name next to it. There are 3 variations of this message you can use: engage, bypass, and set. Engage will engage all devices that have their checkboxes marked, and will not do anything to those that are unmarked. Bypass will bypass all devices that have their checkboxes marked, and will not do anything to those that are unmarked. Set will engage all devices that have their checkboxes marked and also bypass devices with unmarked checkboxes. My personal favorite is set. With this, you can immediately and clearly see which of your pedals will be engaged or bypassed. Checked pedals will be engaged and unchecked pedals will be bypassed. Let's test it out on this preset now. I'll check the Ridge, Chroma Console, Big Sky, and click Save. Now when I press this switch, the Ridge, Chroma Console, and Big Sky are engaged while the others are bypassed. Let's try that again with the Yep switch. Let's select the Black Fountain, LVX, and GenLoss Mark II. And with just one message, I've set all my pedals to their desired bypass states. How does this work, you might be wondering? It's pretty simple. Here's what you need to do before beginning to use this new feature. In the editor, under MIDI channel settings, you'll find 2 new fields for each MIDI channel: engage and bypass. Checking the engage box allows you to add a CC message to engage this particular device. For example, I have the Kernom bridge on channel 1 here, and I just need to add the CC message that engages it. For the Kernom bridge, it's CC number 28 with a value of 127. This can be found in the MIDI dictionary, so you don't have to look it up in the Ridge manual. The same goes for bypass. Check it to add a bypass CC message. For the Ridge, it's the same CC number with value 0 instead, which is often the case for most devices. Go ahead and do the same for all devices on the other MIDI channels. And with this one-time setup complete, you can effectively use the multi-engage/bypass message type from here on. Here's a final bonus tip. If you have a page of switches set up to toggle individual effects on and off, pairing the set toggle message with a multi-engage bypass message will allow you to quickly and easily keep the toggle switches in sync with the actual state of your effects. I hope you found this video useful and enjoy using this new feature. We think it will make using a MIDI pedal board even more seamless and so much quicker. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again in the next video.